Well, I did go ahead and set my brows as well as my eyelids off camera using my LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Fawn, as well as my translucent powder from Mercier. Now I'm going in with my Jumbo Milk Pencil, and I'm just applying that to the lower section of my eyelids, just for that orange color. For my orange shade, I'm going in with the shade Bratty from Colourpop, and then this is just a single shadow. And then I'm using my Morphe M124 flat brush. And if you have hooded eyes, make sure you take the time to get in between like the little folds of the eyelid, just so that your eyeshadow doesn't crease. Okay, so now that we have that orange eyeshadow applied, I am now going to go in with my transition color, and I'm using this sort of medium brown shade from my Morphe 35V palette. I'm going to go in with the shade Top Down, and this is from my Colourpop Mar Palette. And then going back in with a little bit more of that first transition shade to sort of blend and marry those two together. For my under the brow highlight, I'm going back into that Morphe 35V palette, and I'm taking this light beige shade. Okay, now I'm going in with my NYX liquid eyeliner. For my lashes, I'm using the Ardell Faux Minx lash, and these are just in the style Wispy. So while that's baking, I'm going in with my Wet n Wild eyeliner pencil, and I'm just going to line my waterline. Going back in with the shade Top Down from Colourpop. To set my face, I'm going in with my Morphe setting mist. For my tear ducts, I'm going in with the shade Boozy from that same Colourpop Mar Palette. And then for my highlight, I'm going in with my Wet n Wild highlighter, and this is in the shade Precious Petals. Thank you guys so much for watching. This look is so fun to me. Like, I wanted to do something really simple because I see a lot of my comments from girls who don't really wear eyeshadow too often or don't do like super bright colors or really crazy looks. So I wanted to do something cute and fun but still have like a nice pop of color with the orange that, you know, would be pretty easy to follow along with and pretty easy to do. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you have not already, and yeah, have a great day guys. Bye.